So my shift today got switched to the evening, which is fine because I'm able to work on my truck before I go to work instead of while I'm at work and helping customers and all that other shit. So what I had to do today was this wire right here. I had to run all brand new up under the dash, somewhere up there you probably can't really see. Then it goes behind this stuff through the firewall. As shown here with all the rest of them, and then down, and it's just bundled right there because I'm going to put it underneath, and it goes. So what a lot of people don't know is this is where the battery is. So I'll run the wires with those and hook them up to the terminals. I got this shit for $15. It's recommended to have the zinc in there, so I'm gonna do it. Oil, new filter. I got a new radiator hose. So it's put gas in it, put oil in it, finish this wiring, hook the battery up, and let's make it start. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. The truck bed is, other than this, finally empty. It had all kinds of crap in it before. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Like I said, these fold up, prime this. Get my truck back, you guys.